Hi, welcome to Cooking for Couch Cats. Today I'll show you types of bananas here in Puerto Rico. First, the Guineo Maduro, which is a normal banana. We have also the Chiquito Guineo Maduro, which is also a normal banana. Then we have the cooking banana, Plantano. We have Maduro and Verde, which is the green one. Now I'm going to show you how I prepare Guineo and the cooking banana. This is a normal banana. So as you can see, it looks very much alike. However, this is a vegetable and this is a fruit. The cooking banana is also considered a vegetable. Banana, Guineo. Plantano. I guess I don't have to show you how to eat this banana. The Guineo, you have to remove the skin. Unfortunately, not as easy as with a normal banana because this is mature and this isn't. So you will have to use a knife. And then just peel it off. For the cooking banana, it is obviously more mature. However, also here you will need a knife. Just for the completeness sake, the normal banana. I open it here. I know pros open it here, but as you can see, this is easy. As you can see, the normal banana, it is very soft. You can just eat it like that. The cooking banana is, you cannot break it. Neither the Guineo. So in order to eat those, you cook them. A lot of people fry in the Caribbean the cooking banana, which is gonna look like this. But we are not a lot of people. Inside this water, we're gonna put some salt, just a freeze, about 15 minutes, and then I'll check again. Well, with this banana we can eat like that. Time is up. Let's see. You can feel it soft already. So the Guineo is ready. This one is a little bit harder, but when you turn it, you can see it comes off. So this one is also ready. Guineo, Plantano, or in other words, cooking banana. It's a little bit hardish. A little bit harder. Here in the Caribbean, the Plantano, you get it basically with every dish and usually it's fried. You have Guineo, which you can eat like a potato with a little bit of salt. You can mash it or just eat it like this. Let me show you something I like to do with Guineo because my son loves it and it's full of nutrition. Just adding some water so it's easy to blend it. Depending on the age of your kid, you can have it with chunks or you obviously make it smoother. In my case, we like to have a little chunk because I'm mixing it with, for instance, carrot paste or something that gives additional flavor because Guineo in banana, pretty much neutral flavor. And with that, we're ending today's session. I hope you know now more about bananas and take the right choice. Thanks for watching.